Hey, I am JK as usual. In this video, I'm going to show you the most amazing Afro-American hairstyles that have topped up 2025, and I'm so sure that they will be trending even in 2026. These hairstyles, they range from Afro, natural hairstyles, relaxed hairstyles, hair extensions, and curls. You're gonna enjoy this video because these hairstyles are so protective, trending, very light, so easy to handle. I don't know what to say. Just watch this video and make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Keep watching this video because you are going to be mesmerized. These hairstyles are really so stunning and high-catching. You're gonna love them because they are so stylish that they range from black to different colors, all colors, short hair, big hair, long hair. Just know they are so beautiful. They are African-American hairstyles. You're gonna love them. People who love big hair like afro, you know, those big hair, you're gonna find it in this video. Make sure you leave a comment, as I've already told you. In case you want to have a physical hairstyle with me, in case you want to have my touch or my team's touch, that is Hair Crown UG, here is my number: +256 779 89 42 59. You can also WhatsApp or call me direct, or you can comment. You can leave a comment in the comment section. You can tell me what you want me to do for you, or if you want to have lessons, hair lessons, I'm here. I'll be right here to answer you. Please enjoy this video. I'm leaving you, and see you in another video tomorrow. Remember, we upload videos every single day, so be expecting another new video tomorrow. Just stay tuned in to Hair Crown UG. I love you all, and support me by sharing this video. Remember, sharing is caring. I love you. Let's meet again tomorrow, and watch this video to the end because the best and most stunning of African American hairstyles are in this video.